Hello everyone, welcome to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to uninstall or remove Cortana from Windows 10 machine, and I will also guide you how to install Cortana if you need it, and how to stop Cortana from automatically starting up on Windows 10 machine. So for uninstalling, we will use two commands that you can find in this video description. First one command will uninstall Cortana from the current user only, and the next one command will uninstall Cortana from all every user's accounts on your Windows 10. So let me start. First you need to right first you need to click on the start button and here type PowerShell. Then right click on Windows PowerShell entry, select run as administrator, click yes if user account control prompts. Then copy and paste the command that is available in this video description and press enter on the keyboard. This will uninstall Cortana from your Windows 10 machine. So I show you Cortana. Cortana application is not available anymore on my PC. And if you want to install Cortana on your Windows 10 machine, then click on the start button and search for a store app. Then click on this one Microsoft Store entry to open up Microsoft application on your Windows 10 machine. On the search, type Cortana and click on Cortana app entry. Then click on install. This will automatically download and install Cortana application on your PC. As you can see, Cortana has been installed on my PC, on my Windows 10 PC. And next one, I will show you how to stop Cortana from automatically starting with Windows 10. For that, right click on this start button and select settings, or you can also press Windows plus I key on the keyboard to open the settings app on Windows 10 machine. Then click on this one apps, then select apps and features in left. On right, scroll down and find Cortana application, then click on it. Here click on advanced options. Here you will find run at login. To disable Cortana from automatically startup with Windows, just turn off this toggle switch. And if you want to use Cortana automatically start with Windows 10 startup, then you need to turn on this one toggle switch. That's it. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of videos are awaiting for you. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.